Hey guys, what's up? My name is Yuvraj. Welcome to my channel Technology Zone. I hope all of you are doing absolutely fine. As we all are doing working from home. Working from home is the new normal. So to do all the things from home, we require a good connection definitely. After all, we do a lot of video calls, a lot of video conferencing these days for our work. So a proper stable internet connection is an essential now. So I was surfing the options which are available in Kolkata. So I got two options. Number one is Airtel, number two is Reliance Jio. So after comparing both the plans of the Airtel as well as Jio, as well as finding out all the technical specifications as well as the plans available, I decided to opt for JIO Fiber. The process is very simple. Now let me explain you how you can get JIO Fiber. You can just log in into the JIO website, or you can log in into the My JIO app in your smartphone. Once you logged in the app or in the website, you just need to go to the JIO Fiber option. Once you go to the JIO Fiber option, there is an option to fill up all the details like your name, your contact number, your email ID and your residential location. As soon as the request is submitted, you will receive a notification in your smartphone from JIO that your request has been submitted. You will receive an OTP which you need to submit at the time of installation. Now, I just took the connection 3 to 4 days ago. So I did all the required details, and as soon as I submitted the request, I got the call from the JIO team the next day. So I immediately called the customer care to come to my residence and install the JIO Fiber connection. Luckily, the broadband portal of JIO Fiber is just beside my location, so it didn't take much time. So after the sales team called me, I received a call from the documentation team. So they came to my residence, took my Aadhaar card for the authentication purposes, took a picture of mine and filled up all the details. As soon as the details were filled up, I received an SMS in my mobile to find out all the details are correct or not. I checked all the details, and after that I received a link for the payment. Once you click this link, you will receive the payment option, and you can make payment by any of the following options like your credit card, your UPI, through your Paytm wallet. Any of the option you can choose for the payment purpose. Once you make the payment, you will receive an e-receipt. Due to the COVID-19 days, hard copy of the receipt are not being sent to the customer. Instead, you will receive an e-receipt in your registered email ID. Now, once you make the payment, the installation team will call you and they will come to your residence for the installation purpose. The installation won't take much time, but if your location is bit far from the broadband portals, then it may take such time. But in my case, since the broadband portal was just beside my residence, the installation team came, they pull out all the optical fiber. One thing I need to tell, all the connections will be of optical fiber, so which means it's of a better protection, and even it can withstand some floods or some storms, so you don't have to worry about that aspect. So that installation team came, they set up the JIO Fiber connection, they explained to me all the necessary process, and once the installation is done, you can enjoy high-speed internet from JIO Fiber. While during installation, the JIO team also told me that apart from the data service, I will also receive a broadband landline connection. This landline connection is a JIO number which you will receive from the JIO team. This JIO number is also your JIO Fiber connection number. So the installation person gave me this box. Inside this box, there was the JIO router, normal router, as well as a power adapter. The power adapter needs to be connected to the JIO router and you are all set up. And I need to tell one thing, that this is not a sponsored video or a paid video from JIO Fiber. I just took this connection, so I thought that during this COVID pandemic, when everyone is looking for a good internet connection, I should make this video. After all, JIO Fiber is one of the leading broadband service right now after Airtel as well as BSNL. So now let me talk you about the plans available for the JIO Fiber. In the first month, you will receive a free connection. You will receive a free plan with rupees 1,500, which they will take for the installation. In this 1,500, rupees 999 is your free plan, which will give you 150 Mbps of speed. and 500 is being taken as the security deposit. For that also you will receive a separate receipt in your registered email ID. But once your free trial gets over, means once your 990 plan, which you will enjoy high speed of 150 Mbps, after that you need to recharge. Remember one thing, this is a prepaid plan, so every month if you want to enjoy data, you need to do recharge. In Jio, there are 4 plans available at present in Kolkata: 399, 699, 999 as well as 1499. All of these plans will have high speed data as well as unlimited data capacity. Moreover, there are no data capings. In all these plans there are no data capings. You can enjoy unlimited data at high speed. Moreover, you can enjoy also unlimited voice calls if you want to enjoy your landline number connection. Now let me brief you about the features of this plan. In rupees 399 plan, you will receive a speed of up to 30 Mbps, and the data is unlimited. The voice call is also unlimited, and there are no other facilities in this 399 plan. In 699, the same facilities will be there, but the speed will be up to 100 Mbps. But in 999 plan, this one interesting additional offer is being given. Apart from high speed data of 150 Mbps, you will receive an option of 14 OTT apps which you can enjoy your favorite content in them, like Amazon Prime, Z5, Netflix, Voot, Alt Balaji, Hoichoi, etc. All of these apps which we use in our everyday life, you can enjoy these apps for 1 month of the recharge of rupees 999. And the last but not the least is 1499. It's a huge speed of around 300 Mbps. I don't think anybody of us require 300 Mbps of internet speed. After all, we are not super tech creators who always stays online and do all the creative stuffs. Yeah, for me, I'm a YouTuber, so I need high speed internet connection, but for me 100 Mbps is more than enough, I think. So in 1499 plan, you will receive unlimited data, unlimited voice call as well as high speed internet connection of 300 Mbps. These are all prepaid plans, so these plans are inclusive of GST. Whatever plans I told you right now, that are starting from rupees 399, then 699, then 999 as well as 1499, these all plans are inclusive of GST. Now in the market there are other options also. I don't have much idea about BSNL because they are almost done for now. But for Airtel, I can tell you that all the plans Airtel has now are postpaid. Means I was when I was contacting all the customer cares team of Airtel as well as Jio, I found that initially they told me that the plan is of rupees 499. But after that, when I asked how much I need to pay, that they was telling me that it is 499 plus 18% GST. So which means they are not prepaid plans, they are postpaid plans, and there are a huge difference between prepaid plans and postpaid plans. For example, for prepaid plan, in case if you are not there in any month in your residence, you can obviously not recharge that month. That means you don't have to pay, since it's a prepaid. You pay first, then you enjoy the service. But for postpaid, even if you don't there in your residence, you need to pay for that service. So that is an additional cost, obviously. Moreover, for Airtel, there are not also means specifying the speed limits. Like Jio, we know that minimum of speed we will get up to 30 Mbps. But Airtel they are telling that their main plan, their basic plan is rupees 499, which will provide you up to 40 Mbps. But there is one big question, that if your location is beside that broadband portal, then only that speed of up to 40 Mbps can be achieved. Otherwise, the speed limits will be fluctuating. So I thought I should make a video of this because these days we require a good internet connection, and I think you can go for JIO Fiber. At least for now, it is fulfilling my purpose, and I am hoping that in the coming days also they will maintain this high speed internet, and I can enjoy all my work with this high speed internet. And I hope you found this video very informative. And if you like this video, then if you enjoyed this one, then please like it, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel Technology Zone for more awesome content coming really soon. Thank you guys, take care, catch you guys very soon, bye bye.